Today we have a huge box, what I like to call a mailbox find, or random act of kindness, whatever you want to call it. Now I do post videos from these time to time just because I like to share what other people have sent. If you follow my channel on Instagram, about a month back I received a box this exact size from Mr. Jones containing a bunch of different shaving soaps. It was just packed full of some cool things, so I'm sure this box will not disappoint. If you'd like to check out his Instagram channel, be sure to go to C_Jones_28. So now let's get to cracking. By the way, these cars were some that he had laying around and mentioned they'd be great for the grandson. But some I'm going to keep for myself. I'll definitely keep this Thunderbird, but I'm more than likely not going to restore it. It actually just looks like it's dirty. Now this Ferrari probably deserves a full resto. Now this is interesting. It's a metal base, metal body, but plastic wheel Hot Wheels. And it appears he sent some sets. This is the Matchbox Coffee Cruisers. Now off the bat I see two that I want for myself. The pickup and the Jaguar. We have the Blue Highways. Some pretty cool cars in there. Now I'll probably let my grandson open these and then he'll put them in a corner and I'll just end up taking the ones that I want later on. Hopefully he won't miss them. Oh, very cool little set here. It's got the exclusive. I think I'd want that one. It looks like we have a duplicate already. So, which he had mentioned, just a duplicate car, not a duplicate set. So if I take that one, he definitely won't miss that. Then we have a Hot Wheels set. It's Hot Wheels 9. Oh geez, and then we have some more cars. Volkswagen, which we just did a video on a Volkswagen. Skyline, and a Charger. Definitely a cool set. I will probably keep this Volkswagen, maybe the Skyline, just to do a custom on it. I'm not really into JDM, but I know a lot of people are, so maybe I can try to do something with that. Be creative. I don't know. Definitely keep that. He loves Dodge vehicles, Chargers, Challengers, all that, so that's definitely going to be his. All these will be his as well. I may take that one just to do a custom on. And then of course, probably all these. He loves trucks. He loves Corvettes. But I would like to take a few of these. I like these Matchbox wheels. I love the way they look. So I'm going to have to definitely be creative on which ones he actually gets. He's going to get most of them, and he has most of the cars anyway. I've mentioned it before, my collection, actually, I guess we can, to make this video a little bit longer, we'll show you, and I think I've done this before, my actual collection. It's quite pathetic. So here's one container, and most of these are just cars that I really like. It has a lot of the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Ams, and of course Lincoln Continentals. I love those. And then customs that other people have done for me. So I keep all of those in that one, and then I have one other one, which in this box there are a few customs from some good friends as well, and then a few cars that I just I really like, or they are kind of expensive. Here is one that I got from a Hot Wheels convention. Just a gasser. I'm actually going to do something with this. I don't like it, so I'm gonna make another gasser out of it, I suppose. Then we have a Toys R Us exclusive right here that I've just kind of kept. I don't know why. And then we have some specialty cars that are kind of expensive, so I've kept those. And of course, the Herbie Love Bug, Johnny Lightning, pretty expensive piece, so I've kept that one. And then we have a White Lightning Porsche that I've kept. And there's a variety of different other vehicles in here. But that's it. And of course I've got the red lines. -2. There are 2 that are on the bench right now that I'm currently restoring. But here we've got the ones we've already done. There's the 2 purple Firebirds. There's the Corvette. Here is one of the hot heaps, which the wheel has disappeared from. I think I showed you that. The grandson had played with it. Here's the other one. It's still his, but I kept it in here just so wouldn't get any further damage. He can play with it whenever he wants. Of course, we've got the fleet side. And over here we have some that need to be completed, or I've already restored and I'm going to possibly re-restore because it just didn't turn out that well. And then we have the first red line that we restored on the channel. It still looks really good. He has played with it, so the roof is a little boogered up. Other than that, it's not too bad, but I'm still going to re-restore this one just to do so. And that's the entire collection. Now, I do have a lot of cars that are in need of restoration that I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not. And we have, of course, my grandson has a ton of cars, and he's got even more now. So there's that. That's going to do it for this one. Just wanted to show you guys what came in the mail, and a big shout out to C. Jones. Thanks again. I love the cars that I'm going to take from it, and I know my grandson's going to love all of them as well. So thanks again. Be sure to check out his Instagram, C_Jones_28. And if you haven't done so, check out my Instagram. It's just WheelsNThangs. I post random pictures on there, usually every day to every other day. It may be projects we're working on or just some car that I see on the street. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, post those below, subscribe, and thanks for watching.